everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you something new. Let's go to my kitchen. For French bread, I'm going to take 2.5 spoons yeast. One spoon, 2.5. 2.5 spoons added yeast to it. This is yeast for baking. So nothing special, whatever we get, same thing. And I'm going to add 1 spoon jaggery because we don't eat sugar. So I'm adding jaggery to this. Then I'm going to add this is warm water. I'm going to add just 1/4 water. Mix it well, and I'm going to wait for 5-10 minutes so that the yeast activates. And I'm going to mix it well, and if I need, I may add a little more flour. I've taken 1/4 cup water and I've added 2.5 spoons yeast to that. So this is French bread. I'm going to use my hands. So it is little bit process, like I always have had to wait till it gets rise, but it's worth of waiting. There is no much work except than waiting. Looks good, and I'm going to keep it on counter for 15 minutes. Then I'll do the next process. I'm going to cover this with wet cloth. So this is non-bleach cloth, which I always use this. After 1 hour, it looks double. Now I'm going to mix it one more time. So trick here is doing 2 or 3 times the same process, then you get nice spongy type. So I'm going to cover it one more time and see after 1 hour. After 1 hour, again it has become double. So that's it. Now I'm going to shape this. Long shape, oblong shape, just shape it. Then again I'm going to cover them and wait for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So this is one of the long process I'm showing you, but next time I am going to show you the easy method. But this will be very nice. Let's wait for 45 minutes. It's good enough now. It's already 45 minutes. I'm just going to cut like this. You can cut into any shape. You just open like this. Now I'm going to load this into the oven. So my steamer is getting ready. So there is water collected at the bottom. So once it fills up with the steam, then I'm going to turn it onto the European mode. But this can be done in the regular oven too, so no worries. If you don't have this, you don't have to worry. Just because I'm using this option. So I'm going to European mode and enter it. Already it is preheated. Now I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes. And this is kitchen time. 20 minutes. Enter it. And here it's getting ready. So bread got baked and it looks very good. And let me cut and taste it. It's too hot. Here. Perfect. It tastes too good. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching and see you with next video. Until then, bye.